when you're always copying others' opinion, when you're always learning people's opinion who have done discoveries and all, how will you explore yourself?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yes.
Where is the self-growth? Where is the self-growth? Knowledge comes from learning, but wisdom comes from living.
Oh yes. Yes. Wow.
That is why practical knowledge is important.
Practical. So before you perform any practical,
Who
you
told
should
you
have
that
knowledge.
you will have bad consequences if you do this? Somebody has experimented. Then told you.
Somebody has experimented and written and
written
format.
after experiment.
And that theory is useful for you. That theory is useful for you to perform.
The soldiers should have to learn how to shoot gun. It is all about the practical knowledge, not about theoretical knowledge.
Always become an IAS officer. But sir, you know how many IAS officers give exam
You don't know.
Listen.
It is not practical. First of all, it is not practical. It is not practical. I think you don't have knowledge about what is practical and what is theory. That's why you have confusion.
All right. Here in this competition, we are going to have in competition between Ashok sir's team and Muskan's team. And these captains have been nominated by trainees only. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invite a beautiful and talented and of course fighter and arguer trainee of this batch. Let's welcome Miss Muskan, the captain. Please come here. And of course, quite experienced, quite intellectual, quite renowned personality of Lucknow. Let us invite Mr. Ashok sir, please. So, break a leg. And to break a leg. Do you know, guys, the meaning of break a leg? Oh, thank you very much for telling me. I didn't know before. So, what is your expectation, Ashok sir? You want to talk about, your members want to talk about practical knowledge or theoretical knowledge?
Well, the team has already decided to go for the practical knowledge. Just we had voting type of things, and most of the people are voted for practical knowledge.
Oh, most of the people have.
In the toss, we are going to choose the practical knowledge.
That's beautiful. But I was very happy to notice one thing, that your members were saying that we are okay with both.
Yes.
Yeah, I really appreciate that how talented you are. So Muskan, in front of these Diggaj people, what is your expectation? I mean, what do you want to go for? Practical or theoretical?
I want to go for practical, but I am comfortable with both of them.
You are.
Because we are ready for everything.
I mean, you are comfortable, but what about?
Everybody is comfortable. I am confident about my team.
So you should have said we are comfortable, right? So Muskan, here we have toss. You have to tell, or you have to tell. All right? Heads. It is tell. Yes, it is tell, sir. So congratulations, you have won the toss. Then of course you can tell people what you are going to decide.
Practical knowledge.
Practical knowledge. So can you please share one opinion that you think the practical is more important?
Because we are actually acquiring knowledge for some purpose. We want to make a difference in the society. We want to do something. And for that, we have to have practical knowledge. If we are not doing in our lives, we will not be able to implement it completely. We are not yet done if we have only theoretical knowledge.
That's beautiful. Congratulations, Muskan. Please go and sit down and make people speak. Congratulations that you have lost your toss. But I believe that losing toss cannot impact you.
Because the theoretical knowledge is also important to play the practical knowledge, because without theoretical knowledge you cannot perform the practical.
That's beautiful.
So you will be making mistakes. So we can fight with the theoretical knowledge also.
All right, go and empower people to talk about theoretical knowledge. Okay, let us start the talk. Let me have some disclaimers so that you could follow well. If a person shares opinion from here, Nobody should speak from here. Only that person will talk or debate a person who has shared opinion. Likewise here, if a person shares opinion, nobody should speak, but here everybody can speak for asking question, right? If somebody is sharing opinion, you all can ask question, right? So the topic that we have decided for this competition, you people are saying that practical knowledge is more important than theoretical knowledge. And you people have done so many theories since your childhood, and still you think that you need to keep it up. I mean, you're right? You think that theory is very important, right? But I don't know why you guys, but I don't know why, excuse me, don't debate. Wait. You guys are still following theory class. What I believe that from tomorrow I should hire one trainer for teaching you only theory. All right? He should come and he should focus on only teaching. He should not focus on practical, right?
Before practical, we should do
Theory, right? By the way, this will be decided in the last, which is actually more important. I would like to start this session from this group or this group, guys. Where should I start from?
We believe in theory, so we should take theory from there, sir.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
How excited they are.
Yes, sir. We are very excited.
No, sir, they are not excited.
They are excited. By the way, all right, no problem. Excuse me, dear viewers. Do comment whatever you think about this topic. Which is actually more important, theoretical or practical? So, ladies and gentlemen, let us start this session from Miss Muskan from this team. Everybody.
Good morning, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank Kev sir for having me and giving me this opportunity to debate on this topic, practical knowledge versus theoretical knowledge. So, in my opinion, practical knowledge is more important because it is practical knowledge which leads you to the self-growth. Knowledge is what you acquire. You have perceptions of somebody who has already written, but what's your opinion on this? What is your perspective on this? It is lost. It is completely lost. When you're always copying others' opinion, when you're always learning people's opinion who have done discoveries and all, how will you explore yourself?
Oh my God. Yes.
Where is the self-growth? Where is the self-growth? You did not discover something new. You are just repeatedly doing the same thing, acquiring the knowledge. If you want to be a follower, knowledge is okay. But even in the theoretical knowledge, without practical, you can't acquire full knowledge also.
Exactly.
In order to have a good knowledge, you must do experiments with that. There is a very good saying that if I tell you, you forget. If I teach you, you remember. But when I involve you, you learn.
Oh my God.
Because in process of acquiring knowledge, you just have your ears and your eyes and your brain. But when you do it practically, each and every part of your body is involved. You never learn memories. In childhood, you had memories of childhood. Now you never learn them. But you still remember. Why?
Because of practical, of course. Because of practical, of course.
You lived the moment. Because you lived the moment. You lived the moment. Knowledge comes from learning, but wisdom comes from living.
Yes. Wow.
That is why practical knowledge is important. And you are not yet done with only knowledge. If you don't use your knowledge for doing something good, for changing something or making a difference, what is the use of having knowledge? It is no use. For doing something, you have a purpose, na, that I want to change something or I want to do this. But if you're not able to do this, make that change, what is the use of knowledge? Many people are having theoretical knowledge. Still they are unemployed. They are doing MBA, they are doing BTech, but still they are unemployed. Why? Because they lack skill. Even from the childhood, we used to have chemistry lab, physics lab, computer labs. Why? Yes. After theoretical knowledge, we used to go to lab because they know without the theory, then it is of no use.
Of course.
I can just teach you what is computer, this is MS Word, this is MS Excel, but if you don't know how to make a document, there is no use. There is no use.
Yes.
Even you can't teach anybody.
Don't make them cry so much.
No, I'm not. I'm just telling my points.
I mean, they're hopeless. What to speak next?
We are. Even sir said that you have to build a self. Even sir said that you have to be self-explicative. Why?
Yeah.
Because for the personal growth, na. You need to be self-explicative because of that only. You should have your own perception of things. You should have your own opinion for things. That is why you will do something different in life. Or else you will come and go. And nobody will remember you. Even for doing discoveries and all, they did experiment. After that, they wrote the theories.
True.
I am not agree with you.
I don't agree. I don't
Let
agree.
me
I'm
complete.
not. Oh, yes.
I will listen to your opinion also.
Do complete, please. We listen to you, no problem.
This is why I think practical knowledge is very important. By doing practically, you can acquire knowledge also. By doing practical knowledge, you can acquire knowledge also. But only acquiring knowledge, you can't do practical. No matter how much I teach you to how to drive a car, if you don't hold the steering, if you don't drive it daily, you can't be perfect at it, na? That is why it is said that practice makes a man perfect. Knowledge makes a man perfect.
Practice makes a man perfect.
Practice makes a man perfect. It is never said that knowledge makes a man perfect.
Yeah.
That is my take on it. And I'm open to all the whatever you have against me.
Thank you, Muskan. Well said. That
Thank
practice
you.
makes a man perfect. Then why we do have our education system? Why we are providing knowledge to the kids to become
That is why we need to change it. That is why we need to change the education system. That is why we need to change. No, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all. Not at all, not at all.
So you want to say that from day after tomorrow, you want a 5-year-old kid to perform a surgery?
No, no.
They are going through an education system. They completed their MBBS, then they go for the surgery and perform the surgery. Why there is a need
Everybody
of
who
the
did MBBS
if surgery
is able to
is
perform
based
surgery?
on the practical, then why we are gaining the knowledge about the everything to perform that surgery? Why?
Why you are
Why
gaining
we
knowledge
need the
to perform,
medicine?
na? You are gaining knowledge to perform.
That is why the knowledge, the theoretical knowledge is important.
What is the main motto of acquiring knowledge to perform?
Before you perform any practical, theoretical knowledge is important.
But for what?
You cannot,
what? You want to acquire knowledge for what?
fly a jet by tomorrow without having aerodynamics knowledge.
Yes. Need the point he mentioned that can a baby of 5 years old do operation?
No.
He's knowledgeable. He's knowledgeable. He can be. He can be. Why are you
He is
doubting the
not
knowledge?
able to
He can be.
hold the
But
instrument
because
as well.
of theory and he will take time, then he will be able to do operation.
Only theory?
Of course. I mean,
Only theory?
Can you rely on a 10th pass student to perform a surgery on you?
No,
Why not?
because he never did surgery.
So if he practice for 3-4 years, make mistake,
If he is able to
kill plenty of people,
if he is able
that
to,
is okay for you.
If he is able to make surgeries, a successful surgery, I may go to.
Then we
Even
should
if
throw
educated MBBS is
this
not able to-
education system into the garbage.
It should be changed, na?
Uh-huh.
We should do
we can
everything
characterize
practical,
the
then
small
jump to
kids.
theory.
We can characterize
That
the
is why
small
we are saying
kids
that
that
we need to
you
change
are
the
going to be
education
doctor, you
system.
are going to be engineer, you are going to be
Because
an
in the education
aeronautical
system we have so
engineer.
much of unemployment.
Okay, go and start practicing.
We will.
That is
Your mother was never taught how to make chapatis.
No,
she just
taught,
observed things.
She was taught. But like you
Which
said,
book? In which book, ma'am?
her mother taught her. Her mother taught her.
Taught her? It was theoretical knowledge.
Yes, of course.
It was not theoretical knowledge.
How you can say it's a practical knowledge?
That was practical.
Then how you can say it's a practical knowledge?
Because she saw her making.
yes.
She was doing
If
practically.
she don't remember, then
She will remember.
She forgot.
If you
that-
teach her, if
she
you make her
forgot
right
that-
how to, if you teach her and if you have the steps to how to make roti.
if you're-
just like that, right? That was practical. That's it.
Okay. It's if your why is only not clear, how you can say your how is perfectly good? Why is that theory? How you are performing it?
Why is the reason?
no theoretical knowledge is important because to prevent you making errors while you are performing the practical. So before you perform any practical,
Who
you
told
should
you
have
that
knowledge.
you will have bad consequences if you do this? Somebody has experimented. Then told you.
Somebody has experimented and written
Written
format.
after experiment. So
And that theory is useful for you. That theory is useful for you to perform it.
that is practical knowledge, sir. That is practical knowledge. Somebody came to know that it will be. I think.
Make microphone nearer, right?
Ma'am, you before some
Who is
time ago
speaking?
you
I am
told.
unable to make.
Yeah, ma'am. Before some time ago you told that before theory, after we are doing practical. Means you are saying that ki we are doing only practical. Means basis of theory. You are saying that. If you are saying that, ma'am, ki only important is practical, so it is completely wrong because of, you know that Einstein.
I know.
He did a lots of calculation and after that he implemented in the theory.
How
practical.
did he make calculation? How did he make calculation? Imagination is knowledge. Imagination and knowledge are same thing. Imagination and knowledge are not same.
He did a lots of calculation, ma'am. He did a lots of calculation. And after that he implemented.
How he came to the calculation?
You are-
He must have done some experiment that this distance is perfect, this distance is not perfect.
In physics, in mathematics,
When
ma'am,
he came to the theory, na?
he is doing 2 + 2 = 4. It is not a practical knowledge. It is a theoretical knowledge, ma'am. How do you can say that? Calculation, it is not a practical knowledge, ma'am. It is a theoretical knowledge. After that, sir, practical after theoretical knowledge, sir. And you know that listen, sir, before in a computer science, if you are doing any program, before this you are making a flow chart. Making a flow chart and
What? For doing
for
program,
making your theory practical. You are doing a implementation, ma'am. Sir, ma'am, listen. Sunita Williams been there before did he lots of she did lots of theory and after that he been there. What is the distance between and what is the long, what is the large and what is the minor he did.
I didn't get the point either. What was the point?
This is not able to understand. This is a Gasam theory. She did a lot of theories and then she dared to go there.
Sir, from where theory comes?
From where theory comes, I already said that it is done
Imagination,
from.
that is a practical. Sir Isaac Newton.
And okay, she did a lot of calculation, she did everything, but if now she denies I will not go to there, then what? You didn't make use of that knowledge, na?
At least she become knowledgeable.
So for what, yaar?
She have
So what is the use of that? If you don't make a difference in the society,
They can go.
Knowledgeable to perform a practical.
to perform a practical, what was the driving force? What was the driving force? What was the driving force? What was the driving force?
Wait, Muskan. Priyansh, you have to go, right? After some time. Share opinion and then go.
According to me, practical knowledge is more important than theoretical knowledge. Let's take an example of Indian Army. In Indian Army, everyone, the soldiers should have to learn how to shoot gun. It is all about the practical knowledge, not about theoretical knowledge.
And how they become
Because of practical knowledge, they are able to shoot the gun, they are able to do the mission because of practical knowledge, not for theoretical knowledge.
Hello, this is Ms. Sikha Kusaha, and I'm favoring the theoretical knowledge. I want to ask one question from all of you. If you want to swim,
Okay.
just don't go directly for a practical knowledge, ma'am. Otherwise, you will sink and drown in the pool, sir.
You should have
Don't
to
go.
practice.
First,
So that you will be able to swim in the.
I can't hear you. I can't understand.
You should have to practice more and more so that you will be able to swim.
But ma'am, first you should go the book is knowledge. What is the rule? What is the protocol? What is the step? No, sir, we need book is knowledge, ma'am. Sir, we need.
We don't need any knowledge. We just have to practice. We just have to practice.
But
Exactly.
sir, it is mandatory to know the protocol,
There
sir.
is no need to. There is no need to learn knowledge. There is no need to gain knowledge.
It is need, ma'am.
It is all based on practical knowledge.
You have given an example of the Indian soldiers Then why there is a educational qualification and required in the army? Why they don't go and illiterate people can be hired? Illiterate people can be hired.
If I know how to shoot, can I become army?
No. There are many gangsters are there who can shoot. Just let them hire into the Indian army. Why? The question is for a soldier's education qualification in literally 12th to I think 12th pass is required or graduation. Why?
We are here to talk about what is more important. We are not here to talk about what comes first.
No, theoretical knowledge.
What is more important? Practical knowledge is more important.
Theoretical knowledge is required for a soldier to get into the army. That is what my point is.
Without cracking any examination, you can't go.
You
But
cannot be.
without practical, you already.
And that's why many people get rejected in the interview because the examiner, the invigilator comes to know that they are not capable enough to handle real life situations.
But
They
yes,
only have
right,
don't know how to
right. But some people also got selected, na?
They also don't have any knowledge about how to speak, how to share their thoughts because of less confidence. It is all about practical knowledge, how to speak in front of people, because you have to be you just have to do practice more and more, so you will be able to speak in front of others.
Okay.
Practical makes us perfect.
Good morning to all of you. This is me, MD Saddam Hussain. Now I am favoring of theoretical. Before jumping of practical, we need theoretical.
How satisfied you are?
Because of theory.
Back first of all there. Jaldi jao.
Okay. Good morning to all of you. This is me, MD Saddam Hussain. Today I am favoring of theoretical because before jumping of the practical, we need theoretical. Suppose that you want to become a scientist, and why the lab is providing? Because providing because of they need to theoretical, then the scientist can be able to practical in the lab.
Because they need to do the practical.
Practical. So firstly we need theoretical. Then we can able to. Then we can be able to.
But without practical, you can't do anything.
Oh, ma'am, first priority is that we need theoretical. Then you can do practical, ma'am.
We are just
First
talking
priority.
about what is more important.
Just we can see.
Practical
Just we can
knowledge is
see.
more important. Of course.
Yes.
Of course, practical knowledge is more important.
But first priority you will give theoretical.
According to you, which is more important?
According to me, theoretical.
But according to
Okay.
us, practical knowledge is more important.
According to you does not matter. What is the reality, ground reality?
If you talk about our Indian, so many people who has cracked the UPSC exam, they need theoretical. After that, they need practical. Why the Labasna has been organized? Because of theory, because of practical. Firstly, we need theoretical. Then we can jump in Labasna. Firstly, we need to. Theoretical knowledge. Okay. Okay.
Sir, he said that theoretical knowledge become a IAS officer. But sir, you know how many IAS officer give exam
Oh, you don't know?
Listen. No, sir, I'm not.
Okay.
Sir, how many people give UPSC examination, but how many people would get rejected by interview because lack of practice, lack of practical.
UPSC need 1,000 candidates, and they have.
First, you should Try to listen her.
Okay.
You are just
रिजेक्ट इसलिए होती है क्योंकि बस उनके पास नॉलेज नहीं होता है, थ्योरी नॉलेज नहीं होता है.
Okay, go ahead.
She wants to say.
Okay, go ahead.
Lakhs of pupils give UPSC written examination and they get passed. After the interview, they are rejected because they have no knowledge. They are always rectification. Right. They are rejected.
Sir, UPS. Absolutely right. रुको ना बे. Sir, one second. Stop. Sir, 1 second. Sir, he said.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, if you don't have theoretical knowledge, you cannot go for the interview.
How, ma'am, for your kind information, I think you should increase your knowledge, because how can you reach the interview session without cracking the examination? The first, without qualifying all the examination. If you don't have knowledge regarding the cracking the examination, how can you reach the interview? First step is not a interview. The first step is cracking the examination. And you can crack this because of theory. And no, sir. And sir, student always focus on understanding the concept and literature session only because of learning learning the theories things. That's why they cracking and they focusing on the concept of only because of thinking about the theory basis. If sir, like the small child. A small child, how can they remember all the things only because of theory? Like all the poems, all the yes, they are, all things are based on the theory.
My mom is, she is my mom. What is this?
Because they saw every day their mom. That's why they know ki it is not practical. First of all, it is not practical. It is not practical. I think you don't have knowledge about what is practical and what is theory. That's why you have confusion.
What is theoretical and what is practical?
I know that. What? Sir, please take the mic.
Yes, sir.
Why are you murmuring?
Sir, she said कि without crack examination we can't give interview. But without interview we can't become IAS.
What is the first step? What is the first step? What is primary? You are talking about secondary. Sir, they are always talking about the secondary things like lab, all the things without knowing the how to use the utensils. How can they go for the lab? And sir, I want to give. Sir, last.
People who have microphone, they will speak.
Sir, lastly,
If you say many examination they not practical, they not interview direct. We go directly. But in the SSC examination we need more practice. Without practice we can't. Without practice we can't take an SSC examination.
It is a theory knowledge, no? We leave
Practical
in
examination.
How do you manage time? I have cracked the series examinations. What about time management without doing practically? How will you crack the exam? How will you solve 60 questions in 60 minutes? Tell me one thing without doing practically. What is the outcome? What is the outcome? What is the outcome?
It is not practical.
History, geography, science, all is
practical exercise, sir.
You have keep practicing the
Good morning, everyone. My name is Surbhi. So here I'm talking about theoretical knowledge. So suppose you are talking about practical knowledge only. So if a person have practical knowledge only and he or she will provide practical knowledge only. So suppose that person will die after some time, and if you want the same knowledge, so how we will be able to know? Suppose some concept he or she has taught to someone, but some concept they haven't teach. So they haven't taught. So what we will do? We need some theory. If that person will return somewhere, so we will be able to understand that yes, it has happened in the past. Even some people, even some scientists and all, why we are able to know about Einstein, why we are able to know about that person who are work in the past. So because of theory, somewhere something has written. Because of theoretical knowledge, we are able to know about our history. Exactly. So that is my opinion.
Who will be answering? Chandni, let others. Shrees wants to.
She's saying about the scientist. I think, ma'am, we don't need any scientists. We need more inventors. Okay, we have already so much scientists. We need so much inventors, so we can do more experiments. Okay, so why? Yeah, Elon Musk. Okay, Elon Musk is doing a new practice on a new experiment. He is not following any physics of a law of physics. Okay, so and we should. Let me speak. I think, guys, listen me carefully. I think everyone has become inventor in their life. They should invent something in their life.
So scientist is not inventor?
What you are saying from? No, Surbhi.
Why are you weakening her?
Surbhi is saying that we should learn about what scientist has done and what. So we should.
It's not why we are able to know that something has happened in the past.
Nini, he is saying that you said we should learn what he did. And Muskan and he also have mentioned that we will do the same thing what he did. But if we become inventors, we can do something others as well. If you they want to say that if we do the same thing, we can do the same thing. If we do because of the same theory, they will be able to do the same thing.
But sir, if the theory has not written in the past, so how we will be able to know that it has happened in the past?
Write your own theory like Elon Musk. Write your own theory like Elon Musk. Why not? Why not? Yeah? Why you are laughing? No, sir. Sir. I want to please give me mic that person. Okay, see, he's laughing very. You have no patience. How to listen?
Sir, like they are saying the same thing we will do again. So I am talking about why we are able to know that something had happened in the past. Some theory has happened in the past. That's why we are able to know that yes, this thing we do not have to do the same thing again and again. That's the thing I'm talking
Ma'am,
about.
we should become we should not just read a history. We should try to make a history.
No, sir,
okay, we should try to make a history. Okay, read history. Yeah, we should make a history so people can.
We should create history, not read history.
Can I ask him a question?
Of course you can.
Is it possible for you to invent a time machine?
Sorry?
Is it possible for you to invent a time machine? Yes or no?
Sir, but I
Yes
can.
or no?
My answer is that, but I can invent something.
Yes.
I can invent.
Hold on.
Something is better than nothing. Okay.
That's my question.
Why are you giving one task?
No. Is it possible for you to invent a time machine by tomorrow?
Sir,
Hold on. Yes or no? Simply.
Sir, my answer. Listen me carefully, sir.
Again, he's not-
Sir, I'm not.
I have
robot.
another
Sir, I'm
question
not
for you.
robot which you are controlling by your remote. Okay, I'm not robot here.
Sir, if you would have asked Thomas Alva Edison,
trying.
you have to invent X-ray machine.
No. I am trying.
Everybody
to
has
prove
their
my
own
point
targets.
Why the theory is important?
Sir, if he is accepting
Hold on.
it, he can do
Hold
better.
on. Hold on.
Okay.
Is it possible for you or not?
Sir, maybe
Yes
it will.
or no?
Listen me,
Simply.
sir. Sir, I'm not robot you are controlling like on your voice. Okay. Just stay. I'm not robot here. Okay.
My question is it possible for you?
Sir,
or not?
I can make better than that.
What?
Yes. And it will be a less costly, okay?
When?
Tomorrow I will show you. Yeah.
No, it is not possible for you to build.
For you it is not possible. For me it is possible, sir.
He is not. Let me complete my point. He is not letting me complete my point.
Okay, please complete.
It is not possible for you to build a time machine by tomorrow, but if I can give you a written blueprint, you can build it by day after tomorrow.
No,
that is why the theory is important. That is why we have theory from in our education system in everywhere. Become a scientist, become an engineer, become anything you want. You must learn the theories first, then perform the practical.
Sir, I have a belief on my skills. Why I have a belief on my ideas. What I am not create. What should I? What? Sir, I want to please, sir. What do you want to speak? Who are you?
Sir,
No, sir, please give me the mic. That person. He's very laughing. Yeah. You have any questions?
tell me, who are you, bro? You are Thomas Alva Edison?
I am a human.
Without read, bro, how can invent new idea?
Sir, listen, sir. I will invent the best bulb as compared to Thomas
Without
Alva Edison.
read. Firstly,
Yes.
you read, na, bro.
Yes, I can.
Bro, na. Firstly, you read.
Why not?
Sir, you are talking.
Yes, I want to.
Sir.
I want. No, I want
Sir.
to talk to that person. I want.
I'm talking. No.
I want.
No.
I want to talk to that person.
Sir, without formula, how can you invent? Without formula, how can you invent? Sir, you should have to answer me. There is no need for thinking who will ask.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Sir, listen. Without formula, how can you invent? Tell me. Yes, I have a question for you. You said na ki I don't like become the. I want to research another bulb. It's been new invention. But I want to say that.
Let me qualify. Listen, sir.
Without formula, how can you invent that? Without formula, tell me.
I don't want to become a scientist. I want to become an inventor.
Yes, and you need
But
to know that.
no, sir. No, listen, sir. Sir, do you know what is the like Newton also make a formula ki how to make the force. Then after that, so many like scientists also applying the like research. Then after that, he will invent.
So why?
Because of theory, na. Because of theory, na.
Why we cannot make a new theory?
How can you, sir?
Why
How can
not?
you without? Sir.
Thomas Alva Edison was not God.
Listen.
Thomas Alva Edison was not God.
No.
Okay.
Nawaz, tell me only one thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello, Bhaskar. Wait. Bhaskar, namaskar. Wait. Nawaz Sharif, tell me one thing. Which theory did Thomas Alva Edison follow? Just please tell me that one.
Okay. Sir, listen. Do you know?
Tell me only this.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Which theory?
Sir, I'm talking about. Listen.
Which theory did he follow?
Sir, do you know?
Which theory did he follow?
Sir,
He didn't follow, na? He didn't
Sir.
follow. Like why he is, Bechara, he is repeating
Sir,
that
sir,
I
listen,
will become
listen.
inventor.
No, sir.
I will follow my own skills.
Sir, how no? Sir,
And
listen.
wait. Remember, in future he will become inventor and you will make theory on him.
Sir, listen.
Yes.
Sir, listen. Suppose you are made a bulb.
You have made, okay.
You have made the bulb,
Okay.
and then how know about that? How to generate the electricity? You have to need about the key. What is the capacity of the
That is why I asked you, which theory did Thomas Alva Edison follow?
Sir, we also need for
He
the formula,
just-
sir. How to? No.
Exactly. I'm sorry. Opinion, please, from
Sir,
These people need to ask.
yes, I want to say opinion, sir. Good evening, all of you. Good morning. Sorry. Brother, I'm not a robot. It can happen. Listen carefully.
From Australia, right now.
Yes. Actually, listen. Each and everything, whatever we can see here, that is somebody's observation and imagination. That is comes from practically. Brother, let me complete. Sir Isaac Newton's observe what is falling the apples in the ground. Observe, then create the equation theory, and we follow the theory and laws. Brother, so fast. Brother, listen carefully. We have to be observer. We have to be observer, and we are practical and apply in this world and create a theory to understand the common people. So you are a common people, so follow the theory. We all the advanced and creator. We create the theory.
Can you tell me what is the meaning of observing?
Observation. Observe what is happening in this here.
Theory, bro. That is not practical. That is theory. That is not practical.
Exploration and observation. These are theories. Why? Let me tell you actually. This is kind of, analytical theory. You are thinking this and that, this and that, this and that. And what is practical? Practical is utility, implementation of happening something, of using something. And you're saying, I'm observing. So that's a theory, right? Come on. You are observing. That is your analysis, right? Come on.
We have only 3 theory and laws of Newton, but the help of theory implement a lot of things and create a lot of things only by 3 theory. And let me complete listen. Complete listen. Listen, I request you all. Sir, if only we don't create, complete them. If only we have 3 things, but we create 3 lakhs things, that is important.
This is the power of theory. You can invent 3 lakhs. Understand? Yes. No, he said no.
He's saying that.
Yes, sir.
He's saying that by 3 theories, we made 3 lakhs. Sir, please make him sit down here. Okay. Opinion. Where's the microphone? You want to share?
Yes, sir.
Share. Sameer, listen to him. You need to ask question.
Good morning, everyone. This is me, Shamir. First of all, I want to tell you one thing. Like before starting conversation, sir said that the complete rule and regulation about the debate, that is called theory, and we are applying, and that is called practical. So before practical, sir said that theory, then we are applying. And also, like yes, so theory comes first, na? Theory comes first, na? And on, sir, before, ma'am.
Sir, the topic is not about what comes first. What is the outcome then?
Yes, sir. Sir, suppose we are a student of law, and we are without knowing theory, without learning theory. How can we apply in a court? How can we defend? How can we find?
Oh.
Yes, tell me.
How can we just?
Yes. No. Without knowing, ma'am, without knowing information, how can we defend to everyone? How can we just fight to judge for everyone? To one. No. Tell me, na. Yes.
Other people should speak. Other people, Achal, Kaf. Yes.
Person who are the important in the eye of so many people who have many who have completed their so many years of practical, then those lawyers become so famous. Only
What is the basic need?
No. Only reading theory.
Why you say that In order to become a judge, why they say that you should have a 10-year experience, 5-year experience? Why to become a teacher, they say that you should have 10 experience?
Okay.
Why not everybody?
Ma'am, if
Oh, theory,
sir, suppose she is sir, suppose she is a judge, okay? Without knowing sir theory, I mean without knowing information, how can he give the
Acha.
yes? How can you give judgment?
Why I want to know the theory? To do the judgment? To do the judgment?
Yes, sir.
What is the motive? What is the motive? What is the motive?
No. You accept now.
What is the
Theory. First, theory is important. You accept it now, ma'am.
So what is the motive? Please?
The motive is that theory comes, practical comes from theory. That's it.
Utilize it.
Yes.
It means you are incomplete.
Yes, sir.
And you will not have theory if you don't have purpose. If you don't want to become a judge, why will I study? Why will I have theory?
Because of theory. Yes.
No.
Ma'am.
I had a purpose, then I came to the theory, no?
Purpose becomes when you have here.
It's imagination.
And that is not knowledge. And that is not knowledge, ma'am. Imagination is not knowledge.
Sorry, come on.
That I want to become a judge.
Wait, don't just become judge. So you have a question.
If I become a judge, I want to become a judge, and I read 5 years, and I have experience 5 years. How I become a judge?
Sir. Yes, sir. Ma'am. You should give the exam and definitely you will become the judge.
I'm the favor of the practical knowledge.
It's me not. If I listen. Slip of tongues. If I listen. If I will not do wrong thing, it means I will become a god. So being a human, everyone do mistake. It is not mean ki I will do. Yes. So I'm the favor of the theory. Okay. So theory is everything. Without theory, you can't practical. Can't do practical because do you know you want to any product, first thing he also discrimination with the key first thing how to use these things. Suppose you want to any medicine, also medicine gives the some instruction ki how to apply this. So theory is good, then after that you go to in practical first. And second, do you know every priest, Molvi, Molana also first thing he read the any holy book, then after that he do practical. Similarly, some pandit also some Hanuman Chalisa, yeah, some also mantra, and to burn anything. How? Because how comes? Because of theoretical. This is the power of theoretical. And yes, and third thing is.
For God, we don't need theory first of all.
No, sir. Without study, how know about that? Ki it is the happening or not?
We have to study for God.
Sir, spiritual knowledge. Yeah, definitely, sir. Everyone needs to study about the religion book.
He wants to perform any ritual. We must have the theory knowledge about that.
What is the benefit? Listen, do you know? Every scientist, yeah, so many people also read the holy books because also mentioned that in the past. What happened in next? Then after that he research on field. I'm talking about aeronautics.
After happening this written, huh?
No. Listen. Not happening. No. Sir, no. Sir, listen.
Messengers, do you know messengers? They have done, prophets have done, practical. They have written what happened and we are following.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Not even, sir. We believe like theory is not like practical, sir. Just like my colleagues also say that 2 + 2 = 4. It is the practical, sir. It is the theory.
Sir, you are talking about, holy books. What about Mahabharata? What about, Ramayana? What about Bhagavad Gita? And many holy books are there. Something happened, then they wrote.
Sir, I want to make one medicine. It's with tablet.
Sir.
And I don't know about that how to
Sir.
make. First thing sir.
Listen to me, sir.
Listen, sir. No.
Yes.
First thing I will know about that how to composition.
Sir.
First thing I know about how to chemical.
Why you are going to talk
how to
with
chemical
him?
like 3 ml or 4 ml like that.
Why you are going here?
Sir. Yeah. Tell me.
If you don't know how, and what is the need of paracetamol, what is the need of dolo, and so first you should experiment in laboratory. It will be work in a fever. It will be work in there. So after that, after practically, you will get a knowledge about the paracetamol and about the dolo.
Okay, ma'am.
And you are talking about the theoretical knowledge.
Agar someone say that you should.
And after doing practical, you will given a name.
Yes,
it
yes.
is the paracetamol and it is the dolo.
Someone said that ma'am, you should make a paracetamol. Then how will you make the paracetamol?
First we did a practically.
First thing you need to study how to composition mix them.
First we did experiment.
Ma'am, first thing you have to that.
You should enhance your knowledge. You don't know.
Nobody will talk. Nobody will talk. Relax. Nobody will be silent mode. Excuse me, लाख of the people watch our videos, उनको मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन न मिल जाए भाई, ऐसे डिबेट नहीं होता है. डियर व्यूवर्स, अगर आप टीचर्स हैं, अगर ट्रेनर्स हैं, तो प्लीज़ ऐसे डिबेट ना कराया कर. अब मैं कराता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे फ्लुएंट बनाना, अगर आपको भी बनाना तो आप भी कराइए. और क्रिटिकल तुरंत ऑन द स्पॉट जो रैंडम थिंकिंग होती है, इसे लड़ने से आती है. कुछ लोग का मानना है क्या लड़ा रहे हैं, ऐसे लड़ाया इसे वजह से जाता है ताकि तुरंत सोच डेवलप हो पाए, राइट. बट डिबेट दरअसल ऐसे प्रोफेशनली नहीं किया जाता, राइट. यहाँ पे कराया जा रहा है बस ओनली फॉर फ्लुएंसी डेवलपमेंट. लेकिन आप लोग ज़्यादा ही कर जाते हैं. मार अगर कसम से कैफ ना हो तो मार उड़ देंगे. हाँ, फोन आएगा, सर इसको पता नहीं किसे ब्लड गिर रहा है. Really. Now guys, those will speak who haven't spoken.
Firstly, good morning, and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ma'am said theoretical knowledge is more important in first priority.
Yes.
If I am become a cricketer, if I want to become a cricketer, where we need theoretical knowledge. If you have any example where I crack this exam and become cricketer.
Sir, I already said you. I think you are not listen carefully. One second. Firstly, listen to please, sir. First time I'm saying some places practical is most important, like swimming, cricket you are talking about. But why parents send a school? Because of theoretical knowledge. After that, some teachers started play students. I think you are not getting my point.
I know. I'm getting your.
Okay, then you make.
If I become a cricketer, I don't need any school. If I become a cricketer, I don't need any school. If I become a cricketer, I need only practical knowledge. What about that?
Sir, can I answer? Sir, you are talking about only particular one field. There in India, in world, there are lots of other field where theoretical knowledge is also important. Like I want to become a cabin crew, and in my field, first of all, listen to me. In my field, you have to crack the examination, and with the help of learning all the questions and answer, then you can crack the interview.
But ma'am said theoretical knowledge is a first priority.
Wait.
Ma'am said theoretical knowledge is a first priority.
Yes, it is.
Why? Because
she's right.
she said they are equal.
She said because she is right. Theoretical knowledge is important.
I'm telling
that's
wrong.
why she
I am
said-
telling wrong.
Sir, I have answer. Sir, I have answer.
But I am talking about, sir, sport. Sir, I am talking about sport.
Sir, you have 12th certificate or not?
Sir.
12th, 11th, 10th certificate or not? Only because
He
of...
wants to say that we don't require in sports this certificate or not.
Sir. Sir, suppose you are a lawyer. Suppose you are a lawyer and you don't have theory knowledge in which act you have to provide a... What is this? Sir, suppose you are a lawyer and without theoretical knowledge, how you will able to provide somebody justice?
Sir, I think...
No, sir, he said, no, we don't need...
But sir, I become a cricketer. Why I am go to lawyer?
I am taking an example.
Opinion by Mr. Shoaib.
Hello everyone, my name is Shoaib. First of all, I want to say thanks to CAF sir who has given me this wonderful opportunity. I want to give counterpoint. Some people were saying that through practical we can innovate, and through theory we cannot innovate. We only just copy someone's thought. But I want to say that first we learn and we mix and we innovate new thoughts. Like I want to give example hydrogen and nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. Both are a different molecule, and when we mix it, and a new molecule comes like H2O, and H2O is a different molecule. So it happens with as well thought. We copy someone's thought and we mix it and we create a new thought. We learn about philosophy, sociology, and it happens in physics as well. It happens in physics as well. We mix a thought and we create new theories. So, with the help of theories, we can create a new thought. And someone says that, I want to give example about savages, uncivilized person. They live only in practical life. They do not learn theories. They don't have school. They only live in wild, and they are savages. They do not learn theories, and that's why they are savages. But we are civilized. We have a school, and in school we learn theories, and that's why we are here and we are talking. So it was an example about savages, and as well, I have completed.
Good morning, dear panelists, and good morning, sir. Our debate is going very well, and everyone participated very well. Now it is my turn. I am Rehan Khan. Before going to head, I would like to pay a humble gratitude to Mr. Kefson, who has provided me this splendid opportunity. Firstly, we have to need this debate is not theory versus practical. This debate is which is better than theory or practical. In my opinion, practical is better than theory, because there is no example you have that theory which comes without practical. You don't have any example without practical, and yes, I can prove. Yes, I can prove. Look at this bulb. Look at this bulb. Yes. Look this bulb. It has invented by Thomas Alva Edison. They experimented a lot, about 1200 experiments. 1200. You should enhance your knowledge. 1200. They used to, from grass to metal, and that time no one knows about that. Grass is non-conductor or conductor, insulator or conductor. But after this experiment, everyone knows that is not conductor, and metal is conductor. It means that all things depend on the practical.
Shikha wants to say something.
Yes. And second, everyone took example of Newton. Someone said observation. Okay, I accept it. Observation is a theory. Okay, but when did he observe? When did he observe? After seeing practical, then that time he observed. After seeing practical.
Sir,
Why
sir,
not?
Sir,
After
listen
seeing
me.
practical.
I have first to counter. This ma'am said that about practical knowledge about paracetamol. I want to ask ma'am if this is a one element and the second element. You don't know about those element. You go the lab and the fuse. You will burn. You will burn. You first you, sir, ma'am. First you have the knowledge. What is this element and this element? After that you go the lab and practical. Otherwise you will burn. It is burn. You will face the life like a life death. And
Please have a seat.
Sir, just talk. This bhaiya. Sir, you know. Sir, he talk about Edison. He did lot of experiment. If he had knowledge, if he had theory, he do not make this much mistake, sir. If had knowledge this time about theory knowledge, what should I do? What should I don't? Don't. Then he did not mistake that much, 12,000 to 1,000. If he had knowledge, sir. If he had knowledge.
Guys, the time is over. I have to start another batch. I'm sorry for those people who didn't and couldn't speak. The winner team is... Of course! I'm counting, guys, come on. So the plus that they have got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you guys, oh my God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. I salute you. Great. Because of not following so many disciplines, guys.